Hello, my fellow travelers, and welcome to Element downtown Asheville. I'm Christy. This is Happily Forever's After Travels. We're going to do a room tour of a 2-queen room.
Element is located in downtown Asheville, just a short walk from shopping and dining options. This hotel has so much to offer. If you'd like to know more about the property, I have a video that gives a full property tour with a peek at the common spaces in the hotel and a look at the surrounding area. This video goes into depth over the pros and cons of Element as well as the complementary and unique features. I'll leave a link to that video in the description below for easy access. This video, however, focuses solely on a room tour of a 2-queen studio. So let's get to it. And now for the room tour. Room 716, a double queen studio.
Wow, I love the space so far. This is really great. Let's take a peek here. We have our closet. That's where we have a safe. And let's check these drawers. All right, got some reading. Looks like maybe a laundry bag. Everything looks pretty clean in there. I don't see any dust or hairs. Nice. All right, let's see in here. We've got the ironing board, hangers. There's hangers on both sides. And pity anyone who has to do ironing on their vacation, but it's here if you need it. The bathroom is huge. Let's turn on the light. All right, very big bathroom. Extra drawer space here. The hairdryer. There's 2 of us. They gave us 3 sets of towels. Do not have a tub, but a very large shower. Let's see, we have, what does it smell like? I'll have to tell you what it smells like later. All right, coming over here now, a small refrigerator. This is nice. Ice maker, very good sized fridge, not a tiny mini fridge. This is a ginormous fridge. Everything looks very clean. Even a mini stove. This is very nice. Oh, colanders, saucepans. Oh, I like this a lot. Some utensils here. Even a salt and pepper. Coffee station. A dishwasher. I mean, full size. Full size. Have the whole family here. Then up here we have a microwave, wine glasses, some bowls and cups. What's up here? Oh, here we've got a toaster. This is a really nice setup. All right, here we've got our TV. Little bench, anything under the sink. There's the sink, it's a deep sink. They give you a little palm olive and a scrubby. Oh, a nice little water thing. You can go get some water. And notice they do have both tap and filtered water. Trash and a roll of paper towels, nice. Small Keurig. They do have a station. So this is very nice. You can see the highway, but you also have a nice mountain view. I'm up on the 7th floor. Okay, let's see if I'll be quiet, see if we can hear the sounds of the highway. It really doesn't sound too bad from where I am. We'll be interested to hear the footage, see what that's like.
With a major highway on one side and a main road leading into the city on the other, the noise is unavoidable. While staying on the 7th floor seemed to drown out some of the noise, it may still not be the best option for those who are sensitive to traffic noise. Pro tip: I always carry either a Bluetooth sleep headband that syncs with my phone or a white noise sound machine when I travel. That way, no matter where I am, I can muffle out almost any noise that may keep me up. I'll give links to some of those products in the description below so that you can find one that's right for you. In my opinion, those are travel must-haves.
And you can adjust the headphones here, right? And you turn it on and sit with your phone or whatever electronics that you have.
Let's get back to the room now.
And then the beds. And a desk. Let's see, we have some USB ports and the clock, plus some more outlets there. I have a lot of electronics. Oh, here's another outlet here. How are they? More outlets over here. So it's not too shabby with the outlets. I'm here over by the other bed. So not too bad. Artwork. It's nice. I like it. And this is a really cool little lamp. I like this little touch.
Okay, end of the day. It's been hot, it's been humid, there's rain in the forecast. My makeup has melted off. I've been walking a lot. It's been a wonderful day, but it's now time to do the pillow test. I'm a pillow snob. Let's see how this place rates. Oh yeah, I'm in heaven. Squishy. 2 thumbs up. Other thumb is on the phone. Good night.
I found the staff friendly and attentive. There was only one problem that I had with my room. The TV gave us an error message, so it wasn't usable.
We're having some trouble with our TV. We turn it on, it just it gives us a little error message. It says this view is too large.
When I called down to the front desk, they were friendly and had a technician at the door in less than 5 minutes. Problem solved.
Okay, thanks, I appreciate it. They are sending up a maintenance guy.
2 pets under 50 pounds are allowed to stay with you, and you'll have access to their dog park. This gentleman and his furry friend were anxious to tell me all about their experience with Element and how dog-friendly it is.
She says, I gotta go down and go pee.
So this is a dog-friendly hotel, huh?
Very, very.
Do they accommodate dogs pretty well?
Very
what kind
well,
of things do they do?
Now, she stayed here about 4 times.
Oh, okay,
and
great.
They give us a bowl and biscuits. And
Aw.
she now has figured out that they give her the biscuits, so she goes to the front desk and sits down.
You
They give her a little
smart
pack
pig.
of 2 biscuits.
Oh, that's so cute.
What do you think of the 2 Queen Studio at Element? Let me know in the comments. I have a link below in the description so you can price out your stay at Element downtown Asheville.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.